Alright, this is how to remove password to a hotspot on Android so that whenever somebody sees the hotspot, he or she can connect to it easily. The first step is to get to the settings of your phone. Alright, you can scroll until you get to it and tap on it, or you can push down on the control and tap on settings from there. Once you're here, tap inside the place you have search settings. As a tap there, type hotspot. Okay, hotspot. This will give you some options, and one of them here is personal hotspot. So tap on it. On this personal hotspot page, you will see hotspot settings. Tap on it. Note, the configuration may be different depending on the type of Android phone, but just follow this instruction, you will know what to do. Then you can see security, tap there, and then select none. So with this, I don't have any password to hotspot of my Android. So once I turn it on, somebody can connect wherever he or she is. So it doesn't need any password to have access to it.